What's the meaning of curtail? Curtail. Curtail.
Curtail. Curtail. Curtail means to reduce or limit something. When something is curtailed, it is made shorter or less in quantity. This can be applied to a wide range of situations, from cutting back on expenses to restricting the freedom of an individual or group. The result of curtailing something is a decrease in its size, scope, or effectiveness. It is often used as a measure to address problems such as financial difficulties, environmental concerns, or social issues. Overall, the purpose of curtailing is to produce a more manageable or sustainable outcome.